In the end of our course, we thank you all for being in that journey and would like to practice this together. So of course you can reach out for any practice forms, but for the course in particular, we have this practice worksheet. We took that scene from Marvel Civil War when the Avengers started to fight against each other, and we put for you the four characters out of them. Of course, you can add all of them if you like to do. I would like to hear back from you about that scene. What was your feedback, and how do you feel each color and each trait was reacting to that?
We fight.
This is gonna end well.
They're not stopping.
Where are we? What do we do, Cap?
So as you can see here, that was a very difficult moment, and that movie in general, as a Civil War, was specifically very hard to adapt to, but it's one of the key movies of Marvel, that it shows when the good people can turn against each other, when the goals change, when the intention gets shifted, when negativity goes in between. So in that scene battle, you can see all of them kind of confused how they can turn against each other, and that's why we're choosing these four characters. You can fill down whatever you see fit here, share it with us in the community group on Telegram or on the website, so that we can agree together. When you read the course, we can write your comments below, and then we'll see what is the best way to commune together. Then we'll be happy to share your views publicly and privately, depending on what you see fit for yourself. And welcome to MetaMatch. We're happy that you are on board with us. This is our contact details, where we are all heroes. We feel like we're all part of the Oscar stage, even if you are not there. But it's important to know about each other. If you are somewhere in Vancouver or Dubai or Saudi, we can meet in person. If not, we'll be always together online, or hopefully one day we can create an events and gathering anywhere in the world. I see that we are getting now more popular and we're having a bigger community, and we'll be happy to one day have all the heroes in one place. If not, we can come to you or roll around different regions. Always remember, you are the crystal of your destiny. So make sure that the energy flows inside is positive, and whatever you radiate and reflect is also positive. That's what makes the best out of you. And the powerful the crystal is, the stronger the reflection and the radiations becomes. So make sure that you work on yourself, whether by yourself or through us, and we go to the journey together to make the best out of each one universe, and form the best mapping and the star constellation that really make you the legend maker. And good luck, everyone.